My name is Jim Posewitz, and I have been living, hunting, and fishing in Montana for well over a half century. The idea of neglecting the restoration of buffalo, I think, would be inexcusable at this phase in the evolution of the hunter conservation movement. And there's probably no better site in North America than the C.M. Russell Wildlife Refuge to begin the restoration of wild buffalo. It's a vast million-acre tract of public land just simply waiting for these animals to come back. The landscape here is much the same as it was when the bison were extirpated by the commercial slaughter. We have shown that we can restore elk, we can restore bighorn sheep, and the idea of adding bison to the list of species that can be hunted here as wild, free-ranging animals, this is an exceptional opportunity. And we not only have an opportunity to expand the hunting options that we can pass to the future generations, but we also have a moral responsibility. This was the most abused animal on the continent, and we have a chance to correct that.